Hello and welcome back to another video. This time we're looking at Bitcoin to understand what the cryptocurrency market is doing. Obviously, everything reacts on the back of Bitcoin generally. Last time I gave a Bitcoin update, we had a sell signal printed on Monday, the 23rd of December. Now that was holding true in the sense that we saw a trend line break and an AI signal. You have to go back to the video to see what the AI dashboard was telling us. But we do not just enter based on signals alone. So yes, right now on the Friday, 17th of January, today's the 20th, Monday the 20th, the day of Donald Trump entering into the White House. On Friday, we did have a buy signal printed, but is it enough for us to consider buying at this price point? It's currently at 107 and is running into resistance. These resistance lines are drawn automatically by EngineeringRobo AI using a number of parameters. Had you entered on the Friday, the 17th, we would have seen an increase right to the very top of just under 5%, 4.94, where price currently is at 3.58%. However, if you entered on the 23rd of December as a sell, what would you have done and how would you have managed that position? Well, one of those could be where you had a stop loss around this resistance area and it would have triggered on 101K. Another approach would have been that if price went above the sell signal, you could have got out with minimal risk, or you could have just held until you saw another AI buy signal. But there were a couple of clues if AI sell signal was going to hold or not. First of all, price really started to struggle breaking down on this current support line around the $91,000 mark. Additionally, we saw price react to the upper resistance zone of $101,000. And we did see clues of a potential trend change. The candles themselves were going from red to gray. Yes, they stayed red for a bit, but then the volume came in for the candles for them to turn green. Additionally, looking at the AI dashboard, all of the parameters from a daily time frame, 3 hour, 45 minute, 15 minute, and weekly were all bullish, and smart money remained in, as well as the AI social intelligence score. So we always have to keep an eye on our open trades. If you were going to hold down, if you're going to hold a sell for the longer term and look for a downward movement, it is risky already because we are in a bull market. So you have to be cautious when shorting in the bull market. But in terms of Robo Engineering AI, what do we actually look for when entering a trade? There's usually 5 conditions that we look for. And these are listed above. Has an AI buy signal been triggered? Has the coin broken its downtrend or uptrend? Is there a green cloud or a red cloud signal? Is the AI intelligence score showing green or red? Are crypto whales actively entering this coin? We must be looking for smart money activity to either be balanced or green if we're looking to go long. So these are the criteria, a checklist you can say, before entering a trade. And an easy way that I look to remember this is with the WATCH acronym. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Let's draw some real attention to it. Let's make it green. Watch, whales, smart money, actively entering. Artificial intelligence, is there a buy signal? That's what we mean here, artificial buy signal. Whales, smart money. The T, is there a trend line break? Is there a cloud signal showing green or red? And is there a high intelligence score? So right now, every one item on this 5-point checklist is bullish, and there is no reason for us to be exiting this trade at the moment. However, do keep an eye on this support and resistance line, resistance in this case, and keep an eye on this trend line break for us to be considering to scale out of this position before price actually trends downwards if that's what it's going to do. Hope you found this useful. Hope you will be back for the next one. I will be checking in on what Bitcoin is doing, especially now that Trump's about to enter the White House.